Okwuruo. The same person that saving many Igbo's life. The same person that is saving many lives in Igbo land. When I want buy them, Ndi Igbo, when I nachi Igbo Okwuruo, Unubu Okwuruo, and then when I know that voice record, Okwuruo na nwa na akpa. O ka I wele free ka I wele Okwuruo ase. O ka ndụmadụ were gee iwe funu Okwuruo na achụ nwaanyị. Okwuruo gwa unu na ọ bụ pastor. Okwuruo gwa unu na ọ bụ reverend father. Egwu na before Okwuruo na nọ n'ilu ndụmadụ na anwụ biale na emele onwe life na ekwuruo no si like. Una just even hope the ife abụ okuru discourage ye otu o senyere ndị Igbo aka. Because iche ke ndị na achọ downfall of Okwuruo bụ ndị Igbo. 100% of them are Igbos. Okwuruo have explain on no one here. What you one here now be said that where they for a mind. If Okwuruo say it now, when I go talk say yes. When I if I talk say yes now, when I not go end the case, when I go find up something to bring up, when do low your jaw. When do low your jaw, we hear him if whether they do good or bad, them Faga trying to hack his well, that's good. Okwuruo. One na dotu. On na dotu na akwolo no kwa na aka mdocha, una achọrọ ige ntị n'ihe ọ na-ekwu. Buodike mgbe ihe dike ruru, ọ na-achọ dike ka ebe dike nọ. When you have some of few people na don't na no. Some things smell like this. Una na so hey, ọ bụkwa na ndika no now. Ndị fodo ta aga eme. But now, where are we? Ndị Igbo, Chineke ga-emele ndị Igbo ebere. Chineke ga-emele ndị Igbo ebele. Una do Okwuruo. I don't really know the reason. Okwuruo, I have said it before. Ihe only chọrọ ime ndị Igbo. Imelefe. Don't look for them to receive the word from them, but only Yahweh, Elohim Adonai, will reward you for the good work you do. But for all ndị Igbo, enough the characters. Ihe na-esi ndị anọ na-apụta, you get what's the mind even to help them. Enough the characters. Ihe na-esi ndị anọ na-apụta, you get what's the mind even to help them. Look at the way they are bringing Okwuruo. I listen to one voice record when they pray for Okwuruo. Me, I don't support evil, but Okwuruo is not a pastor. Okwuruo is not a priest. Even Okwuruo they drink beer publicly. Okwuruo no they do like say somebody where be pastor. Okwuruo they live his life, free life. So this voice record one that they bring now, to use that voice record to destroy the image of Okwuruo. I want to know that person that bring this voice record. Can you tell me the benefit that we have? Ndị Igbo na nachi Igbo Okwuruo, Unubu Okwuruo. I don't really know why Igbo is one of the tribe in Nigeria that hate themselves. Tell me what Okwuruo do. Okwuruo have explain himself, but una no one here. That thing where they for our mind be say Okwuruo in hand there for this money. Now that thing where una one here. Una no one hear the truth about this matter. Una no one hear the truth about what happened about the $300 million or 300 million pounds, something like that. Una no one hear them. What una one hear be say that thing where una want. That is the only thing that you know people want hear. Okwuruo go up. Okwuruo. The same person that saving many Igbo's life. The same person that is saving many lives in Igbo land. When I want buy them, Ndi Igbo, when I nachi Igbo Okwuruo, Unubu Okwuruo, and then nachi Okwuruo, na Okwuruo when hair challenge. This kind of person, they need all this thing on the Kumakaya. Almost some things, Iyejima the Kukata, when I hang when will be doing that person may buy. Almost somebody making you book the picture on young. No bona allegation. When I'm waking, we have challenge now, so when I'm not free now, I'm waking for that person. I'm waking. Here on the make Okwuruo stop one year. Nda na chongo Okwuruo. Ono try my best. Only few people want to know about what happened in that morning. Call Okwuruo on phone. Wanna go talk one on one. Okwuruo get explain you people. But even though if Okwuruo say the truth, on no one hear the truth. What on one hear be say that thing where they for our mind. That is the only thing that you people want to hear. On no one hear the truth about this matter. See, let me tell you, Okwuruo. Let me tell you. anything wey you wan do for Igbos, they do and be saying na God go pay you. Ihe ọ na-echọrọ ime ndị Igbo, mele ndị Igbo na Chineke ga-akwụ ụgwọ ọrụ. Don't do it Igbos that Igbo will appreciate you. No, when you do good thing for them, they will use bad thing to pay you. You gotta ask yourself, is it not Igbo, my brother and my sisters, that I'm trying to help? I'm trying to know how to help them. Why are they doing me like this? I want you to ask yourself. So anything we want to do for Igbos, when you do it Igbos, believe that God is the one that will reward you. That's the only thing. Look at Evangelist Bukobi. Upon all the help where Evangelist Bukobi is helping people, both the one where we see online, both the one where we know they see online, the same Igbo people, they persecute them. Look at Prophet Jeremiah, where don't help some Igbo Nollywood. Look at the way Igbo people still they drive that man. Igbo is one of the tribe in Nigeria that hate themselves. Igbo is one of the tribe in Nigeria that hate themselves. Look at Nnamdi Kanu, somebody that came up to liberate Igbos, to know how he will save his people. Look at the agitation now. Divided. Who shall we believe that is saying the truth? Everything scattered. Igbo do not love themselves. Anything that you want to do to Igbos, when you do it, believe that God is the one that will reward you for the good thing that you are doing. Because what you will see for the same people that you are helping will discourage you to help more. Igbo man will come from Enugu State, come to Anambra State, come live as a tenant or buy land and build house. You go see the way Anambra people go to treat that Enugu State man. Be like say that man a stranger. That man only Mbia. Now them be the indigenous people of this village. The if on hage sineme so one home me, na ajoma go ndi babu skofu. The same thing. Anambra man will go to Imo State as a tenant or build house. You go see somehow. You go to see the way the people of that Imo, the kind of thing where they do that Anambra State, man, you gotta ask yourself, what is going on with Igbos? You will see an Hausa man. Hausa man will come out from maybe from Jos, go to Sokoto or Kaduna. When that Hausa man from Jos to Sokoto or to Kaduna, when he will reach that place, maybe one buy land to build house. You go buy land, build house. The people around that place will not disturb that Hausa because they see that man as their brother because they speak one language. Hausa man will come out from Sokoto, go to Kaduna, build house. Those people in Kaduna will see that Hausa man as their brother because they speak one language. The same thing to Yorubas. You go see somebody from Lagos go to Ondo or go to Ejabode. Yorubas from Ejabode will see that one where come from Lagos. Then go see them as their brother. They speak one language. But Igbo, you go see somebody from Enugu State come Anambra, one particular place in Anambra, buy land to build house. One person, one Igbo man will go sell that land to 3 people or 4 people. Igbo is one of the tribe that hate themselves. And they'll go talk say, these people they are strangers, now them get the land. But they forget, they speak one language. Igbo is Igbo, whether you from Enugu, Anambra, Imo,